This one is the one I got from the junk box from my neighbor. I'm going to see how well I can get this one cleaned up. The edge definitely is not great. Since I've already done one of the flat chisels, I'm going to speed this one up to 4 times speed for the actual work. This one was kind of beat up. It was as I said, the chisel from my neighbor's junk drawer when she was cleaning up her garage. And so it took a bit to get cleaned off. And it's running through quite a bit of work to get the back flat and that cleaned up. And now I'm going to try and work on the actual bevel section. And because this is just sandpaper and I don't want it to clog and I also don't want the chisel to get too hot, I'm doing it back and forth in stages, and it's taking a while to fix the bevel on which is fine. I mean, when I say a while, I say like 5-10 minutes, not a giant amount of time. And so there I went at the 80 grit, and now I'm doing it the 120, and that doesn't take nearly as long because it's already cleaned up at that point. And now I'm doing the 220, and that worked, and then doing the 400. And then it's all pretty good, and then just clean things up. Well, there's another one that cleaned up nice. That one was kind of beat up before. The back isn't super flat, but again, this is going to be for a project chisel versus a fine chisel, but that came out with a very nice edge, even for a project chisel.